Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use index match function in Excel. So in this I have created a table in which row ID is there and revenue is there and the profit is there, quantity, postal code, everything is there. So we will calculate the revenue and profit based on row ID. So first of all, to use index match function we need to create one drop down by using data validation. So first of all we will create a drop down out of this. So we will go like this. I will select, we will go to data tab, then data validation. I will just click here like this, and in this I will select list and I will provide the source, and I will select all this. I will again click on this here and press OK. Here you can see now I have the drop down here. Now you can see I have all the drop down here like this. I can select all the drop down from here. Now to get the revenue based on the row ID, we will use index function equal to in index in and press tab. So here it is asking me array. So I'll select the array like this. I will just press F and F4. I will just freeze this, and here I will use match command. Match, press tab. Here lookup value. So I will give the lookup value. Press F4. I will just freeze this. Lookup array. I will select this row ID here like this. I will freeze this and press comma. I will give 0. I will type 0. I will close the bracket, give a comma. I will again type match tab. Lookup value is revenue. I will freeze this, comma, lookup array. So here is the array. I will freeze this also, and match type. I will press here 0. I will give double bracket and press enter. So here you can see 1 2 3 4, the revenue is 14.62. Here if you can see here the revenue is 14.62, and I will calculate profit out of this. So I will again type equal to index index, press tab. I will select the array here like this. I will freeze this, comma. Here I will type match tab lookup value. I will give the lookup value. I will freeze this like this, comma, lookup array. So here is the lookup array. I will freeze this again, comma, 0 0 bracket close, comma, match again like this. Lookup value is profit. I will freeze this again, comma, lookup array. Array is this. Lookup array is this. So here is the lookup array. I will freeze this also, comma, 0. Yes. Here, oh, comma, 0. Press enter. Here you can see 6.7252. Here if I click here, and for 1232 row ID the revenue is 14.62 and the profit is 6.7252. If I change the drop down from here to 4270, here now you can see the revenue is 2.688 and the profit is 1.008. And if I change the drop down to 7582. Here you can see the revenue is 502.488 and the profit is minus 87.9354. So this is the way you can use index match function in Excel. I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.